Man, so once you see me again at the chase look like this and I spin some music, you know that's my opinion time again. So I got a lot of feedback from the last couple of videos. Some people agree, some people disagree, but it's a discussion and it's my opinion. So not everyone will agree with things that I say sometimes or things that I do sometimes, but it's fair enough. That's how the world is. Welcome back to my opinion. One more week. So, you know Team Blue Entertainment. Check out the radio at teamblueentertainment.com. Grab yourself a merch. Follow us on Instagram at Team Blue Entertainment. Follow us on YouTube. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Check out the Facebook page and just support the team. But today now, I want to kick back and reason with the people again, no? Because my opinion is something that a lot might not like or agree with, but hey, everybody have one of them. Now, this week, I'm going to be talking about the notion where a lot of black people have that. Black people, yeah, like, yeah, them no like support each other, them hate each other, them fight each other, them. This topic I want to talk about this time. Now, if you have ever even take the chance to look into any other race, any other culture, any other thing, right? You'll notice that they do fight also. Yeah. They do the same thing that our race does to their own, and them even do it worse. For example, Italy. Yeah, they do it worse than we. You know that word, worse than we. So we are here sitting and we are bash yourself and we are talk all kind of things about yourself and like it's like we should stop, you know, and take the positive out. Because if I trace back everything from back in the days till now, we were taught to hate ourselves as an individual and as a race. And we were taught to hate everybody in our race. I don't know if that makes sense a while ago. But the game was to make sure we hate ourselves and hate our race and appreciate everybody else's race except ours. We were taught that they did it because they know what they were doing. We were not, we were just humble farmers, people just go about their own business and never care about a lot of stuff. We care about living and loving each other because if you notice, no matter how or what happened in the past, yeah, we still have a lot of love. Yeah. So just look on it this way that for 1 second, stop for one day. You can try to kind of start it one step at a time. Stop looking at all the negative about black people as a black people and think about like, you know, say, Master Joe, Master Tom, my brother and my sister, them are some good people. Because no matter what you think them they do, you know, the other folks them the worst and that to them own people. So give us love ourselves a little bit more. No? Can we love ourselves a little bit more? You know, self-love, self-appreciation. You know what I mean? Love your brother them around you because we were taught to hate each other. Even when them put you as a slave and you have to work for them and you're dead. You have Bush, the man who are working in the on the field. You have the man who drive the cat. You have the man who sweep up the house. And you have, you know, so you have the house slave and the yard slave and the farm slave. And all of them are one person, one set of people. But they were taught that you are better than you and you are better than you. Why? So we were taught. And when I said taught, It's not taught in a good way, like, yeah, you go to school and the teacher teaches something on the board. No. Our teaching that we got, yeah, that's why it's still in a we know, was murdering us, torturing us, lynching, and everything you can imagine. Yeah? So when you have a talk about black people and our race is the work, no. Yeah? Look on everything what did happen before. What have we done to deserve all of this from everybody else? Until this day, they might teach you it. Yeah? They like you more when you hate your brother. When you look on the next nigga and hate him and try to stop him, them like you more then. Yeah? And if you get smart to stop doing it, they are afraid of you. So guess what? We cannot depend on them, yeah, to make sure we are okay. We have to depend on ourselves. Yeah, we're gonna fight. We're a family. We have to fight. We have to disagree, but don't neglect, leave out the family. Unite, cause everybody not perfect. You see me? But me hate here when we are talking about, oh, them, yo, them are the worst. Yo, we are the worst. Look how this, look how what. When you stop it, look how what. Look how what. Look how them people over there, them have this and them, you know how much people them kill, destroy, make sure them life, including you, to have what them have. Are you willing to do it? Is your conscience willing to do that to obtain what they have? So stop. Please stop and love yourself some more. Yeah. Sometimes people say, yo, maybe Blue don't even know him at all about our Blue now. But that's why we love each other a little bit more. My opinion. Because atrocity what them creating in the world, you know. Look on it. We never go pillage nowhere. We never, yo, we not do none of them things there. None of the things them where the war crimes. Yeah? We never venture out and go capture. We never do none of this. So why are you hating you? Stop hating you. Ladies, love your other year. I'm not saying that you can't buy a one Brazilian or whatever or kind of ear else about there, right? But sometimes you put that away because I lose money. Once I buy that, the value gone. Yeah? It's an okay investment to look good. But sometimes if you just wear a natural thing and make it look good too. You understand me? And the next set of ladies out there also where them think that they need to, you know, put in fake this and fake that. Of course, do what you want. Yeah. But self-appreciation is if you have a small boobs, appreciate yourself. You have life. Don't go look for money to go give yourself one problem later on in a life. You buy problem. You know people just go get up and take up so much money and buy problem. It's like someone have AIDS and you go buy AIDS from them. Maybe it not kill it today, but you have a problem with it tomorrow. You know what I mean? Appreciate yourself. Love ourselves some more. My opinion this week. Hey, but guess what? Check out the website, teamblueentertainment.com. Purchase something, shop around, do what you have to do. Leave a comment. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram. The whole works. May God, may God, may people,